Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dax University, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the introduction of Adblade Native Advertising Traffic Network tutorial. Let's go! Welcome to today's video, guys. Today's video is a crazy video because we are going to talk about Adblade. Look at the name of the ad network, and not only that, look at what it has to say about itself. The most innovative content style ad platform on the web. I have totally agreeing with them. Adblade is great, guys. And today we are going to introduce the Adblade not as a common network, but as a native advertising traffic network, guys. So Adblade today, it's going to be a native advertising traffic network. So what is actually a native advertising? To put in a simple word, native advertising is paid content, articles, infographics, videos, tags, whatever, guys, you name it. If a content producer can make it, corporation can buy it, and publishing platform can promote it, that is native ads. There's actually a recent study in the Stanford University which actually state that native ads can't fool anybody. You might be confused. Hey, you just told that native ads trick people. Yes, that is actually what people assume. That's what people actually think. But when it comes to real study by these particular researchers in the Stanford University, they have actually find out that the native ads can't fool anybody. The native ads literally would be considered as an ad. So when people look at the native ads, they know it's a native ad. They will not be, hey, this is a content, this is not an ad. They will not say that because they do know that that's a native ad. But there comes the highlight of native advertising. They don't care. They don't care whether it's an ad or not. They like it, they click it. That is how native ads is. And you know what's the best part? You will not believe this, guys. The native ads, when you actually compare the audience with native ads has 2 times more chances to be clicked rather than a normal common editorial post. Let's just make it like a curiosity. I personally think that's curiosity. For example, like you're going through a blog or you're going through a website, you're scrolling and you're seeing a lot of posts, and suddenly you see native ads. You know that that's a native ad, but you will just stop right and look at it. That's already make the native ads win in a way that it already capture your attention. And then once you look at that, you will be thinking, hey, what is this ad about? Go ahead and click it. That is how people get into the native ads a lot. And you might be thinking now, hey, that's about tricking them, right? No, trust me. Do you know that 18% sales would be increased if you use native ads? It's proven that 18% of purchase intent are created via the native ads, and the native ads has much more higher engagement. That is 52% more engagement than display ads than banner ads. Personally, I don't like display ads and banner ads, and you know that display ads and banner ads actually cause this kind of banner blindness as well as ad fatigue. And the main reason the native ads came into the existence in the first place at all is because they want to prevent this banner blindness and ad fatigue. And now they have actually innovated into a lot of stuff, and they have come in a lot of format. And trust me, you know Facebook, right? Big company, huge company, everybody knows Facebook use native ads. That's how they use their native ads. That's how they use their in-feed news native ads, guys. Like if you see in their feed, you will see promoted content, promoted, sponsored. That is actually the way Facebook use the native ads, regardless of whatsoever. Huge social medias like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all these kind of social medias use the native ads, and that is why the native ads is crazy. Keep in mind that Facebook's main revenue stream comes from the advertising, and one of the main revenue stream comes from the in-news feed advertising, and that is actually a native ads. So many things about native ads, guys. I can go around all days, but now we are going to talk about Adblade, and that's the purpose why we came here, right? We just wanted to explain the basic of native ads and go back to the Adblade. So what is an Adblade? Adblade is actually a very relative new player in the CPC marketing business, as well as when it comes to advertising, even though it was founded in the year 2008. But it has already has an A+ ranking with the Better Business Bureau, and its clients are actually huge clients. For example, Yahoo, Fox News, and as this kind of clients actually increase more the reputation of Adblade. As why this kind of clients like Adblade is because it offers extremely high quality ad network with only high profile clients. It's really exclusive, and it's really hard to get into the Adblade, guys. Like I told you, because they cater for big clients, so it's really hard for you to get access into the Adblade. Look at the website, guys. This is actually the website. You can't scroll. It looks pretty straightforward. Start advertising now. You're an advertiser, click here. Publisher, click here. That's it. That's about it. That's about it in the whole website. It looks so simple, but you will not imagine how much they cater for their high profile audience. And Adblade is actually based in the United States, if I forgot to mention that. And also, let's say, when you talk about advertisers in Adblade, actually it's a little bit strict, right? But anybody can actually come an advertiser with the ad network, but you will actually have to meet their content quality restriction, and they do have a very high content quality restriction. They restrict long tail sites as a sign of spam, anything that can seem like a low quality content, scam, affiliate sites, fraud, all they'll be eliminated from them, guys. So they are very concerned, and they're very strict with their quality restrictions. So you have to keep this in mind as well. And the best thing about Adblade is that it actually works with Google AdSense, so that both publishers and advertisers can keep track of all their traffic and statistics, which is verified by Google. As long you find the right niche and figure out where your ad would be in a best success, like for example, if you place which placement and all this kind of stuff, advertising with Adblade can be super beneficial for you. And also a big part of your campaign is how you're gonna present it to Adblade, and Adblade really helps in that. And keep in mind that, like I told you, it's not beginner friendly network, guys. So Adblade is definitely not for those who are with limited budget. Like many advertisers pay 1 to 20 cents per click. Adbase actually charges 50 cents to $1 per click for most vertical, and this is a very high amount. So if you have limited budget, if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, like I told you, they're not very friendly, and also their support is not their nicest. If you made a tiny mistake, you might be placed in a very bad position, and you could only fix it by contacting the support team. They are mostly used with working with big corporation, guys. So most probably you will not be treated nicely, or you will not be refunded, or they would not even care about you guys because they work with big corporation, guys. So they will help you with your problem though, but like I told you, they do have big clients which they will concentrate more. And we should not forget that all the bad press associated with the Adblade, even though they have the reputation to eliminate it, they do have a little bit of negative resources over there. So over here, you can actually go ahead and click on the advertiser site, and it will lead you to this particular page where all you got to do is just sign up, guys. So it's pretty straightforward. There's no a lot of information. All you got to do is sign up. So if you you can actually go ahead and create an account, verify your email, and you can go ahead and log into their dashboard. So this is how their dashboard looks like. Pretty simple and straightforward for a very high profile network, right? So this is actually their home So this is how their home dashboard looks like, and then there's my account here, tracking, funding account, profile, and FAQs. This is how you can actually go ahead and create an ad with Adblade. So basically, there's a long step to do. So you can actually go ahead and put an ad type, news bullet, platform, campaign, short description, long description, your URL, advertising domain, display name, medium image, optional image, small image, large image. So they do have a lot of targeting segregation for the image itself. So your CPA goal, your scheduling, your targeting, geo targeting over here, guys. So incompatible ads, display ads to be located in following location, targeting option. This is actually for your geo targeting users as well. Choose your bidding options and ready to go live. So basically, this is how you go ahead and create a campaign with Adblade. I think that's about it with today's video, guys. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and on top of that, I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. My summary is that Adblade is a great network, high reputation, high profile, definitely worth a try. But if you're a beginner affiliate network, definitely get out of Adblade, because first thing, you will not get approved very easily. It's very hard to get approved, and even once you get approved, trust me, with limited budget and all this kind of stuff, Adblade is not beginner friendly. Their support suck and all this kind of stuff. But like I told you, if you make money a lot for them, if you're a super affiliate, if you're an affiliate with big experience, if you're a media buyer with high experience, then Adblade is something that you should definitely go ahead and consider. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.